Hello folks, this is John at E.C.D Auto Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today we're going to bring out to you what's been new and exciting during the month of April here at E.C.D. We start off the month with Project the Hulk, an amazing Defender 110 painted in olive yellow eggshell finish, black accents throughout the car, displaying an adventure grille in the front, horizontal light guards in metal, and rear access ladder. Inside the car, the premium tan leather wraps around the entire vehicle with an elegant wooden steering wheel to complement it. Next, we have Sharky, another beautiful Defender 110 painted in gray gloss finish, custom side steps with wood coverings, and a beautiful two-tone interior in cream and gray. Then we have Project Scottie, painted in a stunning Porsche chalk gloss exterior, black accents throughout. Also a perfect blend of classic and modern tweaks to make the vehicle something very special. And then we have our first ever signature Blazer K5 rolled off the line in a stunning green metallic and white two-tone color, Scottsdale premium wheels, in an interior wrapped in buffalo distressed leather with Pepita houndstooth inserts. Definitely a one-of-a-kind and a beautiful truck. On our newsletter this month, you'll also find featured articles on classic SUVs as daily drivers and Defenders versus Range Rover Classics. Now don't forget to check out our highlight video of the month, showcasing our latest Defender 90 Project Stone, in fact our most powerful D90 to date with over 700 horsepower. We'll show you a time lapse from beginning to end of production. We also had an incredible Cars and Coffee event this month in which we unveiled our signature K5 Blazer build and also raffled a complimentary E.C.D gallery project for a lucky winner. Also, as part of our featured press releases this month, we have our Chevy Blazer and we have our gallery by E.C.D. Now we've also officially announced the Chevy K5 Blazer. This vehicle will be available in two different trim levels: Heritage for a more traditional and rugged feel, and Signature with a more elegant feel and completely loaded with desirable options. So far for our clients, this has been the most exciting addition to E.C.D's lineup yet. The gallery by E.C.D is where automotive craftsmanship meets artistic expression. It's a dedicated space that brings together the details people often overlook, the stitch patterns, the textures, the finishes, and elevates them into something you can experience up close. For years, clients have asked E.C.D to go beyond complete builds, to focus purely on paint, upholstery, and designs across any vehicle. The gallery is the answer to that. It opens the door to a more focused, creative process where materials, color, and craftsmanship take center stage, whether it's part of a full restoration or a standalone commission. It's about showcasing the artistry behind them and giving it a place of its own. You can now start your custom vehicle project with the gallery by E.C.D. Now be sure to follow us on all social media channels at E.C.D Auto Design.